Welcome to my channel, ABC Spark World. Please subscribe.
A for apple, A for ant. B for bat, B for ball. C for cat, C for cow. D for dog, D for dots. E for egg, E for elephant. F for frog, F for fish. G for goat, G for grass. H for hen, H for horse. I for ink, I for igloo. J for joker, J for jug. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lamb. La. M for mango, M for monkey. Ma. N for nest, N for nose. Na. O for orange, O for ostrich. Oh. P for papaya, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for quail. R for rat, R for rabbit. Ra. S for sun, S for snake. T for tiger, T for tomato. U for uncle, U for umbrella. U. V for violin, V for van. W for well, W for watch. X for Xmas tree, X for xylophone. X. Y for yacht, Y for yak. Yeah. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Z. A for apple, A for grass, g g g, g g g. H for hand, H for head, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. I for ink, I for insect, E E E, E E E. J for juice, J for jar, J J J, J J J. K for king and K for kite, K K K, K K K. L for lamp, L for leaf, L L L, L L L. M for man, M for monkey, M M M, M M M. N for neck, N for nose, N N N, N N N. O for ocean, O for oar, O O O, O O O. P for plum, P for parrot, P P P, P P P. Q for queen and Q for quail, Q Q Q, Q Q Q. R for rope, R for red, R R R, R R R. S for sun and S for sunflower, S S S, S S S. T for tap, T for tub, T T T, T T T. U for uncle, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for violet, V V V, V V V. W for well and W for water, V V V, V V V. X for box, X for fox, Y for yacht and Y for yeah.